All right, over the last 14 days of launching this ad campaign, we've generated 25 window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $30 for one of our window and door contractors, and we've spent $747 in ad spend so far. Now in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we do this, from running high converting Facebook ads to using a backend automation that follows up and pre-qualifies the leads, which ensures that our end clients never waste time on low quality leads, right? They only focus on leads who are actually looking for an in-home estimate. Now, here's what this system does. It generates consistent flow of exclusive and pre-qualified leads for our clients. And this is just a screenshot of what our clients see every day, which is they're going to get an immediate SMS email notification whenever we generate a pre-qualified lead. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more exclusive pre-qualified leads so they can book more jobs and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be dropping new videos weekly. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Number one, why leads don't mean anything unless they're pre-qualified first. Number two, our best performing social media ad creatives. Number three, how we write effective ad copy that turns clicks into sales. Number four, using automations to follow up and pre-qualify leads on autopilot 24/7. And number five, the importance of email nurture sequences and retargeting ads for higher conversions. Now, let's talk about a lot of, marketers, agencies don't want to tell you, which is number of leads don't mean anything unless they're pre-qualified first. Because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are just going to put in the wrong phone number. Some are just not qualified, or, they're looking for jobs or whatever. And having a backend automation that kind of filters out bad leads from the good leads, it's essential. It's important, because you don't want to waste your resources on, calling up leads who don't even pick up. So this ensures that our end clients are only dealing with basically customers who are actually looking for an in-home estimate. Because as you can see from this example, we generated 25 leads, but out of the 25, there were only 16 of them who were actually pre-qualified. The rest, they're unqualified, basically. Here's our best performing image and video ad creatives. Now, with our ad creatives, it's important that we capture attention immediately, because this is the first thing people are going to see. If you can't capture the attention, the rest of the ads doesn't matter. So what we like to do with the ad creatives, there's few things. Number one, we use a price first strategy, meaning we're going to have some sort of a pricing, like a starting ad prices in the ads. And this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget. So whatever your starting ad prices is, you want to put it in there. Now, this client of ours has a crazy offer, which is 0 down, 0 interest for 10 years. And we put it right in the ad. So literally window replacement, and then whatever the offer, the price is basically. And the other thing we don't want to do is make the ads look like ads. We don't want them to look too professional. We don't want them to look, too corporate looking, because people are going to scroll past them if they look like ads. So you want to make sure your ads blend in, because people are on social media. They're there to socialize. They're not there to see ads. So make sure if you're coming up with ad creatives, they look organic to the platform. Now we test video and image, and we let Facebook decide the winner. And at the moment with this campaign, this is our winning ad. Basically it's an AI actor, and these AI actors are getting so good that you can't tell the difference. So this is the ones that's basically killing it for us. And yeah, now here's how we write the ad copy. Basically, this is where you go in detail on what the offer is. So this is how we structure it. So the first part, we're gonna basically call out the audience, or it's like XYZ and surrounding homeowners. And then you're going to tell them what the offer is. Below that, you're going to have the benefits. So lower energy bills, and you're going to boost your home's value. Now, we test 3, sometimes 5 different ad copies with different hooks to see what the winning basically ad copy is. This is just an example of one of them. And just wanted to show you how we structure them basically. So you're going to have the benefits. Then below that, we're going to stack value and differentiate. So this client has lifetime warranty, huge selection. They have a showroom. This is 5-star reviews and fast installs. Right below that, guarantees and risk reversals. If you have a guarantee, you want to put it in there. It's important. It's going to build more trust with people to go with you if you have a guarantee. And then at the end, we just ended with a strong, low friction call to action with a little bit of urgency. So, just tap learn more for a free consultation. All right, now, when they see the ad on Facebook, we're going to give them that call to action, to get a free consultation. They're going to click on it. We're going to take them through 4 to 6 qualification questions to generate the highest quality of leads. Now, on here, you want to just ask good questions. You don't want to just ask questions for the sake of asking questions. You want to ask good questions. So these are basically some criteria that's important to our clients. So, are you a homeowner? How old are your current windows? How many windows do you need replaced? Minimum 5. So this client of ours just wanted to do, wanted to work with clients who are looking for 5+ windows. They don't want smaller projects. So we have this question here and we tell them, hey, minimum 5 to qualify, so they know. And even if they select 1 to 4, we have a conditional logic right on the form that's going to disqualify them. If they select, let's say, 1 to 4, we're just going to disqualify them right on Facebook. We don't even let them come through. And the last question is, how soon are you looking to replace the windows? And this is important information for you to have, because if you get 10 leads in example one day, you know who to prioritize based on if they're, they selected ASAP. And then we're going to ask for full name, email, phone number, and city. So that's all the basically data points we're going to get on the prospects, basically. Right after that, once they submit that, they're going to go to the thank you page or the end page right on Facebook, where we're going to tell them what's going to happen next, right? A text will be sent to you shortly from Kelly at XYZ Windows and Doors. Reply with yes to confirm that your phone number is correct. Once confirmed, a free consultation will be scheduled. And then we're going to give them an option to call the business, in case some people want to just pick up the phone and call. We give them that option as well. Now, here's the juicy part of this video, is that our robust backend automation that follows up and pre-qualifies the leads. Now, what this system does, again, it's number one is going to confirm that the phone number is real and working. And number two is going to ensure that the leads are actually serious and want an estimate. So here's how it works, right? This is the instant lead follow-up system. So the moment they hit that submit on Facebook after filling out the form, they're going to get a text message within 30 seconds to a minute. An example would be right here, like, hi, Peter, this is Kelly from XYZ Company. Thanks for requesting a free consultation for your window replacement project. Just to make sure we've got the right phone number, reply with yes now. Now the system is going to wait for that yes. Once they reply with a yes, it's going to text back, thank you for confirming. I'll give you a call shortly to discuss your option and provide you with the next steps to get your free consultation scheduled. Now, if they don't reply or, they say anything else, like they're looking for a job or they're just time wasters, they're just unqualified. You don't even see them. So right after they reply with that yes, our end client is going to receive an immediate lead SMS and email notification so they can call that lead and book that in-home estimate. Now, in case they don't reply with a yes on the first follow-up, we have 4 follow-ups that go out in sequence within the next 24 to 48 hours. So the first one would go out in 30 seconds, the one we already went over, which is, hey, if you want to quote, basically, and just to make sure we got the right phone number, reply with yes. And if they don't reply to that, we're going to send them another SMS follow-up in 10 minutes. If you'd still like a free consultation, just reply with yes, and we'll get you scheduled at a time that works best for you. Now, the reason we have this, 3, 4 more follow-ups is the important stuff, basically follow-up. And the other thing is, like, people are not sitting on their phone all day, right? They might got to go pick up the kids from school. They're going to, run to the kitchen, go do laundry. So you want to catch them at a different times, basically, when they're actually, sitting down and are thinking about, hey, they want an estimate. So we're going to send another one in 12 hours. Hi, first name, spots for the 2025 window replacement program are filling up. Reply yes if you still like a free consultation. If they don't reply to that, we have the last follow-up that goes out. Hi, first name, this is our last follow-up. If you're still interested in a free consultation, just reply yes or call me at the following number. Happy to help. So that's the follow-up here. All right, here's the overview of the whole system. So we're going to generate the leads. our backend automation is going to instantly follow up and pre-qualify them, make sure they're serious. Once they reply with a yes, we're going to count them as a pre-qualified leads. You're going to call them up, book the appointment, show up, give the estimate, close the sale, complete the work, and get paid. And at the end, you're going to want to ask for a review and referral. Now, this is what a basic marketing funnel looks like. And it's important than ever that you have something like this on the back end, because, a lot of time consumers don't just click on an ad, especially for a home improvement project, which costs a lot of money. They don't just click on an ad and purchase. It's not like they're buying a shirt off Amazon, right? People are going to do their due diligence, basically, and they're going to pick the best company to go with. And that's why having a backend, your retargeting ads, your follow-ups, and email nurture sequencers are essential. You're going to want to have those. So now what the retargeting ad does is, when somebody interacts with your main ads, your first ad, now they're going to start seeing you everywhere they go, right? And it's important because when somebody fills out the form today, they raise their hands, right? They're interested. They might not convert, right away. They might convert in a week or a month. And now the more they see you on social media, everywhere they go, they're going to start seeing you more. The more they see you, the more they familiar become with you, the more they trust you. And then you're turning that trust into sales. That's how it works. People they got to know you, like you, and trust you. And that's why having retargeting, your email nurture sequencer, are very important, right? Now, a lot of those people that didn't convert, the unqualified leads, they showed a level of interest. They're somewhat interested. And your email nurture sequences, the job of this is to build more trust, to push them over the edge with, strategic emails. Basically, you want to send valuable information, your testimonials, and just position yourself as the expert. So a lot of our, successful clients have this on the back, and it's important that you have something like this. We have like a 6 month to a year email nurture sequence. You've already paid for these leads, so try to, turn them in from leads to sales. And that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door contracting business and you're looking to get more leads on a monthly basis, consistent flow of exclusive pre-qualified leads, we want to get 30 leads, 50 leads, 100 leads, whatever amount you can handle, we can generate them for you. I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team, and we're going to see if this is a right fit. And that's about it. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And that's about it. See you on the next video.